Terra Classic's LUNC token has seen a significant 7% increase in the last 24 hours, continuing a 77% rise over the past 30 days. This bounce follows a recent sharp decline and is drawing renewed attention to one of crypto's most closely watched recovery efforts. While the price movement is notable, it is yet to close the gap with LUNC's all-time high of $119.18, which remains a distant memory after the 2022 collapse of the Terra ecosystem. That event wiped out around $60 billion in market value and triggered a hyperinflationary spiral that expanded LUNC's supply to over 6.5 trillion tokens. Since then, the Terra Classic blockchain has continued to operate through decentralized governance, staking activity, and community-led upgrades, despite the token's struggles to regain its former value. A key factor in LUNC's narrative is its token burn mechanism, which is designed to reduce supply over time. The Terra Classic network imposes a 1.2% transaction tax on-chain. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Transfers, with a portion of that tax being burned. As of early 2026, cumulative burns have removed approximately 130 billion tokens, shrinking the supply from a peak of 6.9 trillion to around 5.8 trillion. However, the rate of burn remains relatively slow, with daily reductions averaging between 300 million and 1.2 billion tokens. This pace raises questions about how effectively the burn mechanism can counteract the massive supply overhang. Despite the ongoing supply expansion, the recent price action suggests growing interest in LUNC as a recovery story. The token's performance has been fueled by renewed trading activity, though much of the volume is speculative and driven by sentiment rather than fundamental adoption. Investors are watching whether this momentum can be sustained, or if it will be another false start in LUNC's long and volatile history. The broader crypto market is also keeping a close eye on Terra Classic's progress, as the project's success or failure could have ripple effects on other recovery-focused tokens and protocols. One of the biggest uncertainties remains the structural challenges LUNC faces. Even with continued burns, the sheer size of the token's supply makes it difficult to achieve meaningful price appreciation. The market must also contend with the lingering reputational damage from the 2022 collapse, which still casts a shadow over the Terra ecosystem. Validators and stakers remain active on the network, but their efforts alone cannot drive a sustained price increase without. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Broader adoption and utility. The next key signal to watch is whether LUNC can maintain its current price trajectory without falling back into the same patterns of volatility that have defined its post-collapse journey. A sustained period of stability and continued supply reduction could help build investor confidence, but a sudden reversal could reignite skepticism. For now, the LUNC recovery remains a work in progress, with the market closely monitoring how the token performs in the face of ongoing headwinds.